Using the Field-to-Base portal, you can review the latest information for your company's licenses and devices, as well as make changes. It is important to understand the difference between the two terms, as they have different effects on a customer's monthly invoice. A license grants access to the Mobile Forms application for a single device. Field-to-Base billing is tied to licenses. Adding or removing licenses will affect your monthly invoice. Customers can make changes to their licenses in the Licenses section found in the admin menu. A device is an actual device on the Android, Apple, or Windows platform that you can set up to run the Mobile Forms application when you have available licenses. Once a device has been set up in the system, a license has been used and is no longer available. For example, if a device is lost or stolen, that device can be removed in the portal and the license will be available to be used by a replacement device. Adding or removing devices, or users for that matter, will not affect your monthly invoice. To reiterate, licenses are billable, devices and users are not. However, a user can have multiple devices, and each device will use one license. To manage your licenses, click on Licenses under the Admin menu on the left side of the page. If the Licenses option is not shown in the Admin tab dropdown, your user account has not been assigned the rights to access this section, and you should contact your Field-to-Base account manager to gain access. At the top of the page, you will see your license count table. Billable licenses purchased will show your total billable licenses. If you have any non-billable licenses, they will be displayed next to that. Licenses in use will show the total number of licenses that are currently associated with a registered device. Licenses pending approval shows the number of licenses yet to be approved, for both adding and removing licenses. Licenses available refers to the number of purchased licenses that do not yet have an associated device. To add licenses, click on the Add Licenses button. Next, read the pop-up legal agreement and check the checkbox. Enter the number of licenses you would like to purchase and click Submit. To remove licenses, click the Remove Licenses button. Next, read the pop-up legal agreement and check the checkbox. Enter the number of licenses you would like to remove and click Submit. If you have any questions about adding or removing licenses, or the impact of these actions on your monthly bill, contact your Field-to-Base account manager. Once you submit a license request, it will typically be processed immediately, logging the request in the order history table with a completed status. Once the request is completed, you will be sent an automated confirmation email. Other order history request details include the number of licenses added or removed, each license type, who submitted a license request, the date and time it was submitted, and the date and time it was processed by Field-to-Base. For more information on the Field-to-Base portal, see the Using the Portal section of our Help Center at help.fieldtobase.com.